Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of wellness and nutrition. Avocados are known for their creamy texture and numerous health benefits, but they can be expensive and seasonal. Luckily, there are plenty of wallet-friendly alternatives that offer similar creaminess and nutritional value. Avocado prices can fluctuate, and in some regions, they may not be readily available. Additionally, some individuals may have allergies or dietary restrictions that prevent them from enjoying avocados. Exploring alternatives allows you to maintain variety in your diet. Number 1. Zucchini, the green and versatile option. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable that can mimic the creamy texture of avocados when blended. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it an excellent alternative for dips and spreads. Number 2. Bananas, creamy and nutrient-rich. Bananas are naturally creamy and bring a hint of sweetness to your dishes. They are rich in potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. Try them in smoothies and desserts as a substitute for avocados. Number 3. Cucumbers, cool, crisp, and low-calorie. Cucumbers are known for their refreshing and crisp texture. While not as creamy as avocados, they add a delightful crunch to salads and sandwiches while being low in calories. Number 4. Greek yogurt, creaminess with a protein punch. Greek yogurt is thick and creamy, making it an excellent alternative for avocado in dressings and dips. It's also packed with protein, probiotics, and essential nutrients. Number 5. Edamame, the protein-packed green bean. Edamame, young soybeans, offer a unique alternative to avocados. They're loaded with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Mash them for a guacamole-like dip. Number 6. Hummus, creamy and full of flavors. Hummus, made from chickpeas, tahini, and various seasonings, is a creamy and flavorful alternative to avocado-based dips. It's rich in protein and healthy fats. Number 7. Nut butters, a delicious and nutrient-dense choice. Nut butters, like almond or cashew butter, can provide a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats. They are versatile and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. While avocados are undoubtedly a superfood, they are not the only option for creamy and nutritious additions to your meals. Exploring these alternatives allows you to maintain a diverse and budget-friendly diet without compromising on taste or health benefits. What did you think of the video? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.